Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to our channel V2V Vision to Victory. For more updates, you can follow our channel in Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. Links which are available in the description. Just check it out. You can find our links. You already know that uh, already TCS NQT 2022 exams are going on. So who are preparing for those TCS NQT, I'm going to help for those students. But different questions we are discussing. Yeah. So today sample paper one will discussing about 10 different questions in quantitative aptitude. So I'm going to discuss each and every concept along with a question and calculation. This is the first session related for TCS NQT, and just share this information to your friends who are having the examination further. If I have any doubt, feel free to reach us. I will resolve your queries, or if I have any doubt, I will explain. Just reach me through Telegram. You can simply search at the rate of V2VVK. You can find my Telegram link. I will start with the first question. You see that, look into the question. Here, there is information. Mohit spent 30% of his income on study and 40% remaining on rent and saved rest of the amount. The amount saved by Mohit is 3,192. Then find amount spent on rent is. That is the question. See, what you are observing the question means the data. Here the question related for percentage. See, if the question related for percentage means we have to assume one value. My suggestion, you just assume the calculation, the 100 multiple. For example, total income. For better calculation, I just assume that the total income is exactly equal to 100x. Yeah. Here, Mohit spent 30% of his income on study. So 30% value exactly equal to 30x. 30x. See, out of 100x, he spent 30x for study. Now observe that there is a remaining amount. Here we left with the remaining amount of 70x. The next information, 40% of remaining on rent. Now out of 70x, he spent 40% on his rent. See, 40% of rent is 28x. And saved rest of amount. So how much amount he left means 30x, 28x. So 58x amount is already person spent. So the remaining is savings. So the person saves 100 minus 58x is exactly equal to 42x. So that is our old data. Here there is a one confirm info means comparison. The amount he saved by Mohit is 3,192. See the saving value exactly equal to 42x, 3,192. The value of x exactly equal to 3,192 divided by 42. Now see 2 become a 2, it is exactly for 6 times. So 42 become a 319. How many times? See, if you go through that 8 times, it exceeds the value. See, if it is a 8 times, the value become more than 320. But we required only 319 means it is exactly cancelling 76. Now finally, how much amount he spent on rent? So rent is exactly equal to 28x. So your answer 28 into 76 is your final answer. I will tell you the two-digit multiplication. First multiply these two numbers, 7 twos are 14, and just cross multiply them. If you cross multiply them, 2 6 are 12, 7 6 are 42, and sum of these two numbers are 54. So 4 here, 5 is the carry forward. And finally 6 6 are 36. Finally here 6 7 9 1. Wait a second. Here we should multiply with it 28x. Why? Because he spent 28 units now. It's a 28 mark. Just repeat again the entire calculation. 7 twos are 14, 2 6 are 12, 7 8s are 36. The value becomes 60. Finally 8 6 are 40. Here 8, 2, 1 carry forward, 0, 1. So answer is 4, 10, 11. Sorry, it's a 2120. The next question related to the average concept. Average concept, you can, if you know the application of alligation mixes, you can solve this question. Yes, see, the batsman played with an average of 78 runs per match in first 28 matches. In the next 14 matches, he scored runs and average of X runs per match, so that the overall average become 80 runs per match. Find the value of X. See, question related for average. Average is equal to sum divided by number. Means the sum value is exactly equal to average into number. If you go with the average based calculation, see. So initially the person played 28 matches, average score is 78. The next value for next to 14 matches was doing average of X score. And finally, the total number of matches. See, the total number of matches here 28 plus 14. So we have a 42 matches and the average score is exactly equal to 80. If you solve this equation, you can get the X. Let me tell you, if you learn the concept of alligation mixers, you can minimize the calculation. So let me repeat that alligation mixers concept. See, the person played first 28 matches, the average runs are exactly equal to 28. And later he played 14 matches. He was doing X number of runs per average. So if you doing means if the person scored X runs for next 14 matches, the overall average becomes C 80. Now if you separate those two values is a concept of alligation. See, it is a concept of alligation, is a concept of average. The average means it is a mixer value. So here the final value C 28 divided by 14 is exactly equal to C. The value of 28 is completely depends on the difference of higher minus and lower. C 80 minus of X divided by 14 values depends on 78 minus of 80. Yeah. So finally here the calculation C 2 is exactly equal to 80 minus X divided by minus 2. Minus 4 is equal to 80 minus X. The X value becomes. See the next one. Here the question related for concept of partnership. See, partnership concept, we are focused on how much profit earned each and every person in a business. See, the profit is completely depends on the person investment into duration time period. So observe these two information in your question, you can get the profit information. So see the data. Amar enter into a business with an initial investment of 2000 rupees. Here there is a person Amar invested 2000 rupees. After 4 months, after 4 months, Rishi enter into the same business by investing 2,500 rupees. Now we understand that first 4 months Rishi was not there in the business. And after 6 more months, Manish enter into the business. See, first 4 months Rishi is not there. See, after Rishi entered, again after 6 months, Manish entered into the business. Then we can understand that Manish is not there for entire 10 months. But the Manish is invested 4,000 rupees. Here's the question. Find the profit share of Manish if the profit share of Aman is 1200 rupees. If there is no information related for duration, consider the entire business for a year, 1 year. Now Amar is there for entire duration 12 months. Rishi was there for only 8 months and Manish is there for only 2. You can cancel the numbers now. Here, you can cancel the hundreds and 5 fours are, 5 fives are, 5 eights are. So you can cancel in 4 table, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are, and again 4 twos are. Again you can cancel in 2. 2 here, 2 here, 6 here. Finally, the respective ratio of profits are 6 is to 5 is to 2. It means, see, if the entire business having a profit of 13 rupees, 13 units, we have to pay for Amar 6 units. Rishi for 5 units and Manish for 2 units. But we have a comparison. See, the share, Aman share is exactly equal to, see, here Aman share is exactly equal to 1200. If Aman share is exactly 1200 means each unit value exactly equal to 200 rupees. Now here the question you have to find what is the share of Manish. So Manish get 2 units, each unit value is equal to 200, the whole answer is 400. So we have to pay 400 rupees share out of share of Aman 1200. For example, what is the total profit means? The total profit is 13 units into 200. So value become 2600. 2600 is a total profit. We observe the proper comparisons and check your question. Now see the data interpretation, most important, you can expect one of the data interpretation sheet, like information. If you if you understand that sheet, you can get maximum 5 marks, minimum 2 marks. Maybe you can expect 2 questions from the same sheet or 5 questions from the same sheet. And try to understand the given information. Now see, the information says the given graph shows the percentage of bottles sold by 5 different companies in a month of January. And the total bottles sold together by all companies is 2500. All companies exactly equal to 2500, and the data which is available in terms of percentage means the 2500 value exactly equal to 100%. And study the data carefully and answer the following questions. So look into the overall data here. See, the information deals with the percentage of bottles sold. See, P sold 21 percentage, Q sold 37 percentage, R sold 11 percentage, S sold 14 percentage, and T sold 17 percentage. Yeah, and the total number of bottles sold by P and R together. Now see, here P is exactly equal to 21 percentage of bottles sold out of, and R sold 11 percentage. See, the P is exactly equal to 21 percentage. R is exactly equal to 11 percentage. Now the overall value exactly equal to 33%. Here the question, the total number of bottles sold by P and R together. So P sold 21 percentage and R sold 11 percentage and some value become 33. And you already know that 100 percentage is equal to 2500. Now 10 percentage value. See that 10 percentage value exactly equal to 250. Now 30 percentage value exactly equal to 750. Now we required 3 percentage. 3 percentage means again 30 percentage is 750, 3 percentage is 75. Here the question, 750 plus 75. So the answer is 800. Just observe carefully. So the question, the total number of bottles sold by P and R. See, observe that we have to take the data from given information. See, P21, R20. 11, 21 plus 11, 33. So 33 percentage of 2500. Or try to split the values. 100 percentage is 250. Now 10 percentage is 100 percentage is 2500. 10 percentage is 2. And 30 percentage value should be 3 times that value, 750. Again said 30 percentage is 750, 3 percentage is 75. If you add those two numbers, your answer is 825. Now see the next question. Find the difference between total bottles sold by Q and T. See, Q value is 37 percentage. Q value is 37 percentage. And the T value is 17 percentage. You have to find the difference. See, the difference value is 20 percentage. You already know that as per the calculation, 100 percentage is 2500. Now 10 percentage is 250. So 20 percentage value become 500. So the difference between those two bottles exactly equal to 500. Now see the question number 6. The bottles sold by R approximately what percentage more or less than bottles sold by S? R value is exactly equal to 11 percentage. S value exactly equal to 14 percentage. So no need to find the percentage value. Why? Because the whole value which is exactly equal to 2500. Don't waste your calculation to find the R value and S value. So directly 11 percentage is how much less than the 14 percentage. See, so it is 3 percentage less when compared to the 14 percentage into 100. So you have to identify that approximate value. See, here the R value is 11 percentage and here S value is equal to 14 percentage. 11 is less than 14 exactly equal to 3 units here, and you can cancel here 7 times. Here you can cancel for 50 times. Finally, the value become 150 divided by 7. So here 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. We have a 60 here, and approximately 7 sevens are 49. 7 nines are 63. So here the approximate percentage value is 19%. The next question. The total bottles sold by R&T together. The total bottles sold by R&T together. R plus T exactly equal to 28%. Is approximately what percentage of total bottles sold by PQS together? PQS. Now see, 21, 37. So here value become 58, 58 plus 14. Yeah. So the value become exactly equal to 72%. Now the question, 28 percentage of value is how much percentage of 72 percentage? Again, you have to find the approximate only. So you can cancel with the 4 table. 4 sevens are 28. 4 ones are 4. 4 eights are 32. Yeah. And finally, you can take either approximation or you can cancel with the 50 times. 9 times 350 divided by 9. Yeah. So here the value, see, 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. 27. Again, we have a 70. Yeah. And as 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. See here, approximately 38 percentage. You can see the nearer value that is equal to 39. Why? Because we have to just take a nearest value. Why? Because we have to identify the approximate value only. So as per the option, the answer is 39. See the next one. Find the average number of bottles sold by P and Q. See, you already know that average is completely depends on sum of observation divided by number of observations. Here we have to calculate only P and Q. So here 21 percentage plus 37 percentage divided by 2 first of all. Here the value become 58 by 2 is equal to 29%. 29 percentage value, see. The 100 percentage value become exactly equal to 2500. You already know that. So 10 percentage is exactly equal to 250. So 30 percentage value is exactly equal to 750. Now 30 percentage minus 1%. Just do the calculation same way. 750 minus of 25. So here the value becomes 700. So that you just identify that what is the missing number in the given series. If the respective numbers are 132, 156, 192, 110, 240, 274. See, if all the numbers are nearer, so if it is a nearer numbers, identify the difference only. If you identify the difference, it's a 24 units. Here 26 units, 28 units. Definitely the next number is 30. See, it maintained a common difference of 2 to 2 only. So we required that next difference is 32, but instead of 32, here the difference of 34. So that's why in the given number, 274 is the wrong. So here the wrong number in the given series is 270. This is for you guys. You just try this question. Out of all these 6 numbers, identify that what is the wrong number in the given series. If you want this PDF, you can follow me in Telegram at the rate of V2VVK. You can get my channel and you can download the PDF from my channel, guys. So we'll see one more video for tomorrow. So until the next session, take care. Have a nice day. Good night, guys. Just try this question and post your answer in the comment section, YouTube comment section.